If you need to change your display location on the Rednote app, I've actually got you covered. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to get it done. So let's dive in. All right, so I'm right here on the Explore page. I want to go down to the bottom and tap on Me. And this is the page that you'll find. You're going to go and tap on Profile. Okay, so this is just like a display location. All right, so whether you're in this location or not is completely regardless. So you're going to go down right from Profile and you're going to go to Location and you're going to tap on Location. And here at the top, it's going to say Location, choose Location. And then also you have the option to publicly display your location or not. So you can tap that on and off. And once you go into choose location, you can literally go and choose a location. You can see obviously, like for example, if you go into Angola, you can see that there are different regions within Angola, and you can go ahead and you can actually choose the region. And if you go back out over here, you'll actually see it is chosen there. And you can actually also just share it if you'd like, but ultimately this will now show on your profile. So if somebody goes into your profile, they'll actually be able to see what your location actually is.